Good afternoon. Welcome to Group 5's Human Communication Assignment, Snapshot of My Life. First up, we have Vansh Bajaj, UVC 122.
Thank you, Adesh. Hi guys. So if you can see this picture. So I want you to meet Theo, the Maltese. When this picture was taken, he was a month old and he weighed 800 grams. After 4 months, as of today, he's a healthy and a happy puppy weighing 4 kilos. August 17th, 2020. This day is going to be etched in my memory forever, as this was the day I gained a new best friend. Little did I know at the start of the year I would get a dog. It isn't something I've ever wanted since I was 10, and here I am 8 years later. It started with me persuading my parents after my board exams to get me a dog, but due to unforeseen circumstances, a lockdown took place, and this request of mine was forgotten. Suddenly, one day on the 24th of June, I brought this idea to my parents again, and this time I was even more persuading I wanted one. And when my parents finally gave me a listening ear, it took me, and trust me when I say it took me a lot of convincing to do so. Finally, my parents had accepted with the terms and conditions that I would be the one to be taking care of him. The whole month of July went in finding the right breeder. In the middle of July, I seriously thought that I was not going to get a dog because because this process was never ending. We spoke to three breeders in total. All three of them quoted different dates and prices. So it just created a lot of confusion, and I eventually gave up and I told my parents to drop the idea as well. One day when I woke up in the morning, there was a lot of commotion in my house, and when I went upstairs to my parents' room, I see a small creature on my floor. It took me 5 seconds to realize that was my new best friend, and this picture was taken 3 hours after that. So as you can see, the second picture, it's a school trip from Uti. So this is in the 12th standard, and it's a class known only for the stressful board exams. My school, Lady Andal Venkata Subbarao School, always taught us how to work hard and enjoy life at the same time. To give us a breather from the hectic schedule post our quarterly examinations, they had taken us on a school trip to Uti. Honestly, I was in two minds as to whether or not I should go, as I thought I would lose a lot of time on studying. But a lot of my friends convinced me and I eventually gave in. I thought 60 of us going to Ooty was a very bad idea, but when the day finally came and when I got on the train, I regret every negative thing I thought about this. It was the most fun I've ever had in my life. The jokes, the memories, the laughs, the secrets, etc. And I knew this was one of the last times I'm ever going to experience something like this. I knew once school would get over, we would all go our separate ways and never really have time for each other or see each other ever again. So we tried to make the best of it, and it was a very fun, emotional trip at the same time for me and everyone. I really wish I could go back in time and relive this whole experience once again. And these two are the best memories of my life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vansh. Next up, we have Rishabh, UVC 123.
Hi friends, I'm Rishabh. I love to play football because I feel the sport is a perfect balance of mental and physical fitness. I played in my school team and I also played for club. I have been playing for last 8 years. I have been selected for Schools Premier League and Chennai FC Youth India team, and our team also came in newspaper. I love to do modeling. It is my passion to become a model. After seeing iMovie acted by Vikram, I got inspired to do modeling and I started my journey. I would like to become a fashion, glamour, and fitness model. I love bike expedition and would love to go to different places in bike. I want to drive all bikes which is exclusive in brands, and I want to be a model for Royal Enfield. I enjoy varied dance can be and the freedom of expression it gives. Dancing makes me feel calm after a busy day as well as energized. I have danced for Vijay TV programs by joining John Brito Dance Academy. That is where I got inspired and more. I will I will dance in all my school culturals and also programs. And I'm thanking my friends. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishabh. Now I will be speaking. I'm Adesh Krishna, UVC 124. First up, I have a picture of me that was taken in a shooting spot when I was interning as an assistant director. And I think it's a very important picture because my aspirations of pursuing a career in cinema industry started ever since I first set foot in a shooting spot. The theater and this, they play a huge role in my life because the satisfaction of making hundreds of people enjoy and relate to what you create for them, it's a very exciting thought and I can't wait to make that achievement. Everything about this place gives out a sense of positive energy, and I've always felt that you're working best when you're working on something that personally makes you happy. And I've been trying to develop my skills by indulging in different aspects of filmmaking, such as photography, editing, and acting, and whatnot. And I'm just happy that I'm in the process of trying to fulfill the same dreams and making my way into the business of cinema. Next up, I have a few pictures of my friends. Now, these are some of the very important people in my life. A lot can be said and done, but that wouldn't do justice for what they've done for me over the years. My friends had a huge part in shaping me as a person during my formative years. They were my pillars of support during my tough times and never even thought twice before when I asked for them help. Well, when I asked for any help. Well, they've been involuntarily involved as well. A few of my friends were my constant motivators, making me achieve my potential academically while providing psychological support. And like everyone else, we did have disagreements and periods of silences, and but they've mainly served to heighten the intensity of our friendship. And I'm forever indebted to my friends for what they've done. We've had a lot of fun times during school. And my final picture here is was taken in Mount Road. I was shooting on my TLR, an antique film camera, for the first time ever. And it's a newfound interest that I've had over the past few years, and I've collected and shot in various vintage cameras the analog way. Every time I load the film and shoot on these cameras, I feel like I've been transported back in time to the 1800s or the 1700s. And it's just amazing that these cameras have stood the test of time and still work today. There's a sense of discipline that I learned from manually setting up my camera every time before every shot and not being able to see a shot immediately, but to wait for it patiently to be processed and then finally find out how your pictures have come out and learn from your mistakes. It has just been an amazing experience. And that's that. I will stop. No, we have Valan UVC 125. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Adesh. Once again, is it visible?
Yes, Valan.
Okay, thank you. So this is Balan, UVC 125. நான் வந்து சூஸ் பண்ண பிக்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா திஸ் ஒன் கேமரா. இதுதான் என் வாழ்க்கையில் ஒரு ஒரு வைட்டல் ரோல் ப்ளே பண்ண போகுது. இனிமே இப்பவும் ப்ளே பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால நான் இந்த பிக்சர் சூஸ் பண்ணேன். பேசிக்கலி நான் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபியில் எனக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னு சொல்ல தெரியாது. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது 2017. என் ஃப்ரெண்டோட அப்பா ஐஃபோன் வச்சு, அப்போ என் ஃபோன் மொபைல் கிடையாது, ஃப்ரெண்டோட அப்பா ஐஃபோன் வச்சு நான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன். ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணப்ப இங்கே ஸ்ரீவில்லிபுத்தூர்ல ஒரு கார் ஃபெஸ்டிவல் நடக்கும். அந்த ஃபெஸ்டிவல்ல நான் ஒரு 3 பிக்ஸ் நல்லா எடுத்துட்டு இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் அப்பா ஓப்பன் பண்ணேன், போஸ்ட் பண்ணேன். ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட நல்லா இருக்குடா, நீ ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி ஏதாச்சும் வீடியோ பார்த்து நீ நிறைய கற்றுக்கோ, வீட்டில் ஒரு கேமரா கேடு அப்படின்னாங்க. நான் என் அப்பாவோட கேமரா கேட்டேன். அப்பாவுக்குமே ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபியில் கொஞ்சம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் உண்டு. ஸோ அதனால அப்பாவும் வாங்கிட்டாங்க, கேமரா வாங்கி தந்தோடனே ஒரு 2 months அந்த கேமரா என் கூட இருந்துச்சு. தென் வந்து வீட்டில் ஒரு தெஃப்ட் நடந்துச்சு. அந்த 2 மாசமே நான் கேமராவை பெருசாக எதுவும் யூஸ் பண்ணது கிடையாது. டெய்லி ஸ்கூல் விட்டு வருவேன், திறந்து பார்ப்பேன், ரூம்குள்ள இருக்க சின்ன சின்ன திங்ஸ் அப்படியே எடுப்பேன், பயப்படுவேன். வீட்டில் ஏதாவது சொல்லிடுவாங்களா, ஏன்டா படிக்கிற வயசுல ஏன்டா இப்படி, ஏன்னா நான் சொன்னது இல்லை வீட்டில் போட்டோகிராஃபி இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்லை அப்படின்ட்டு. அதனாலதான் இப்பதான் வீட்டே சொன்னேன் போட்டோகிராஃபி இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கு, அதனால கெரியரே அதுதான் அப்படின்னு சொல்ல ஆரம்பிச்சு கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்டடிஸ் தான் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் சொல்லுவாங்க, கல்ச்சுரல்ஸ் அந்த டேலண்ட் எல்லாம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஐ மீன் டவுன் சைடு ஸ்கூல்னால அப்படி இருந்துச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு கேமரா வாங்கினேன், அப்பா கேட்டேன், வாங்கிட்டு வந்தாங்க லாஸ்ட் இயர் கேனான் 80D. அதுக்கப்புறம் யூடியூப்ல வீடியோஸ் பார்த்து அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஷூட் வந்து என் ஃப்ரெண்டை வச்சு தான் பண்ணேன். அப்படியே ஷூட் போகலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு சொல்லி அவனை வச்சு அப்போதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் நான் மேனுவலே பழகினேன். வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் மேனுவல் பழகினது என் ஃப்ரெண்டை வச்சு தான். அதுக்கப்புறம் சுற்றி நடக்கிற திங்ஸ் நான் எப்போ எங்கே போனாலுமே ஃபோன் இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஃபோனை வச்சு எடுப்பேன். ஸ்ட்ரீட் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி இந்த மாதிரி எடுத்துட்டு இருந்தேன். தென் வீட்டிலே இந்த லாக்டவுன்ல கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே ட்ரை பண்ணி வீட்டுனா கொஞ்சம் டெப்த்தாக கொஞ்சம் படிக்க ஆரம்பித்தேன். ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி பற்றி கொஞ்சம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டும் அதிகரிச்சிச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் வீட்டில் சொன்னேன் இந்த மாதிரி விசுவல் கம்யூனிகேஷன் படித்து நான் என் ட்ரீம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்டில் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபர். நான் மூவியில் வந்து ஸ்டில் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபர் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும், மெயின் ஸ்டில் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபர் ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். என் நேம் வந்து போஸ்டரில் நான் பார்க்கணும், மூவியோட ப்ரோமோ போஸ்டரில் நான் பார்க்கணும் ஸ்டில்ஸ் பை பாலன் அப்படின்ட்டு. அதுதான் என் ஆசை கனவு எல்லாமே. அதுதான் பேஷன் லைஃப் எல்லாமே ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி நம்பி தான். தென் அது நம்ம எடுத்தோன்னே ஸ்டில் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபர்னா யாருமே அக்செப்ட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. அதுக்காண்டி ஃபேஷன் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி, வெட்டிங் ஈவெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த மாதிரி ஈவெண்ட் ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி அதெல்லாம் பண்ணலான்ட்டு பிளான் இருக்கு. சென்னை வந்து தான் ஐ மீன் பார்க்கணும். உங்களை மாதிரி ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை வச்சு கான்டாக்ட்ஸ் வச்சு தான் நான் மேலே மூவ் பண்ணணும். ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஆல். இதுதான் என் ட்ரீம். அதை பற்றி நான் பேசியிருக்கேன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் எவ்ரி ஒன் அண்ட் தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் பாரதினம் ஃபார் திஸ் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. தேங்க்யூ ஆல்.
Thank you, Balan. Next up, we have Shakti, UVC 126.
So, being born and brought up in a close-knit joint family where I was the youngest kid, I was showered with an abundance of love, affection, and care from all my family members. Not a single wish of mine was denied or went unfulfilled. Though my cousins and I lived apart, our parents made it like a ritual to have a conclave every weekend at our grandparents' place. So starting from Friday night and going on till Sunday night, the 2 whole days were spent playing with my cousins, gardening with my grandfather, listening to classic songs with my uncles, shopping with my aunts, and also going to the neighborhood temple with my grandmother and all of that. The best part was, however, though we had sufficient number of rooms and all of it, we always used to love sitting jam-packed in one room, as you can see in the picture. And my most favorite part of the weekend used to be the mandatory Sunday dinner that we used to have in the terrace or garden under the moonlight. It used to be very special. As time has flown by, our priorities have changed a bit, and the time that we spend together has decreased drastically. But this way of life is what I have learned to embrace and love. I love every single bit of living in this large and beautiful family, but because it involves a lot of things like listening to nostalgic stories by my grandmothers and grandparents, having to share almost every other moment, getting a number of insightful opinions for something even very trivial, and going on long drives with the family and having customary Sunday lunches without fail. And the entire home becomes a grand spectacle when there's a festival, wedding, anniversary, birthday, or whatever be it. So I also feel that there's no greater coaching I could have received in learning how to be accepting, accommodating, and adjusting to the needs of people around. So however, something that has been special all this while is the dynamic that I share with my parents. It has never changed actually, because we still make it a point to have at least one meal a day at the same table, visit the terrace to discuss about any impending decisions, or to retrospect about anything that we've done. And we also go on drives to the beach with music blaring from the stereo, and we catch up on a recently released movie often. So not only have I learned to value the blessing of having a great family, but I've also developed an interest to capture the little moments, for I know it would give me immense pleasure and joy to look back and revisit the memories that we've created. So yeah, that's been my time. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Shakti. And that brings us to the end of our meet. This activity has really helped us discover a lot about ourselves and each other. We've spoken about how our passions have driven us and how we cherish the relationships that we've had. And it has been an interesting experience. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.